This is a final video to fix your PC bricking when L-Connect 3 launches in Lian Li cases. And if you've been facing sudden freezes or complete shutdowns the moment you open the software, you're not alone. This problem happens because L-Connect 3 sometimes conflicts with a motherboard's USB controller, causing the system to fail before it fully loads. Many solutions you see online are complicated, requiring registry edits, BIOS tweaks, or long technical guides that even experienced users find confusing. But on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that stops the bricking instantly by adjusting just one setting inside L-Connect 3, keeping your PC safe and stable without touching complex system files. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll make a detailed tutorial for you.